मैं वीडियो बनाएगा.
ग्लव्स डालने देने को ग्लव्स डाल.
Good morning friends. Today we'll change carrier chiller dryer filters. How we'll change? I will explain. They're removing the power connection of the pump. This one of the pump power connection. They're removing. They remove the power connection. Now we'll start the removing from filter side. Now a little bit oil is there. Now they put the charging hose and remove the oil. 625 ton chiller. Now we'll going for the close the valve. This is our carrier team.
मैं हैरान हूँ, दो आदमी के साथ ना.
Both side will change the wall after we remove the filter. This is the filter. Will closing the inlet oil filter, the valve, and this one is outlet valve. This is for inlet valve. This one is outlet valve. They will close. After we'll start, this filter will be changed.